ready to make your life simpler with condo living here on Isle of Capri? Well, this is a must-see. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, located right here in Tarpon Village. Let's go take a look. Experience the best of Southwest Florida living in this beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the highly desirable area of Isle of Capri, ideally located between Naples and Marco Island. The spacious living and entertaining areas include a built-in kegerator and plenty of room to gather with family and friends. Whether you're enjoying a quiet evening at home or hosting guests, the layout is designed to make the most of the Florida lifestyle. A private screen lanai overlooks the peaceful courtyard, creating the perfect setting for morning coffee, outdoor dining, or relaxing evenings, enjoying the Florida breeze. Offering a blend of coastal charm, modern upgrades, and everyday convenience, this property is an excellent opportunity for a full-time resident, seasonal getaway, or investment property. Inside, the bright open concept floor plan features porcelain tile throughout, custom finishes, and stylish furnishings that create a relaxed coastal atmosphere. The updated interior is designed for both comfort and functionality, while the newer air conditioning system installed in 2023 provides added efficiency and year-round comfort. The sought-after first-floor location allows for easy walk-in access directly from your parking space, with no stairs to navigate. The Homeowners Association fees include water, sewer, trash, lawn care, landscape maintenance, and building insurance, helping provide a low-maintenance ownership experience. Residents enjoy access to the community pool and are just minutes from boating, fishing, marinas, waterfront restaurants, Marco Island, and downtown Naples. Nearby Gulf beaches, nature preserves, and coastal attractions make this location especially appealing for those seeking an active outdoor lifestyle. If you're searching for an updated Naples condo with a prime location, first floor convenience, and easy access to the area's best boating, dining, and beaches, this Isle of Capri residence is ready to enjoy. If you're ready for condo living and ready to make Tarpon Village your home, reach out to me in the information below. People like you contact me each and every day. Make this condo your new home. Bye for now. I'll see you soon.